Hi everyone, you had a really good weekend. Just going to dive into Hbar. The ticker's Hbar versus USDT. This is traded on Binance. It's a weekly time frame. A lot of requests coming in for this to take a look for it. Okay, so personally, you've carried out a correction right here. Look, you've carried out a pretty much, either a descending triangle, a double M top pattern, sort of rolling over pattern. You can see a depleting buying trend just there. Look, you're making lower highs and you're rolling over, and you've lost a level of support just there, and you've carried out the correction. Job done. Look at this. So that level there, which is around about 44% correction, and then when you lost support just there, you actually rolled over, and look, you've carried out another 44% correction right there. So you've carried out that target. That pattern that played is valid, basically. So you have got this level of resistance, which I would like to see broken, because I do think if you get this level of resistance broken for Hbar, you are looking at a beautiful upside and a retracement to this high just there. Okay, so you have got this level of resistance just there, which is the previous level of support of this sort of rolling over pattern, effectively a double M top pattern. Look, boom, boom. You level of support in the middle, which you lost, and when you lost it, you went short and carried out a technical target down there. Okay, boom, target met. So you are coming up, basically. You are back above the EMAs on the weekly, which is what you want to see. Okay, when you roll over here, you carry out these corrective phases, and then as soon as you start to get back through levels of resistance, this is where you're looking at continuation of the bull right there. Okay, Hbar was very overextended here. Buy big green candles, get big red dildos. Sorry, you've come back down. Look, you've had a correction. You rested on a previous swing high just there. Boom, target met. It's looking good, and effectively, it doesn't look pretty, but you could just say this is one big bull flag where you're coming back to support, and you got the continuation, and just straight off the back, if you start to break out this level of resistance just there, which you can see you on a weekly, you've got this upper level of resistance that you're adhering to, and you're starting to break out right now, starting to get back above a 20. If you can hold that and it starts to creep you up and you hold it as support, this is where you're going to see the test of 0.24 cents. Okay, because if you do get that, you're looking at a lovely little retracement, a long opportunity of 84% up to the all-time high, and a continuation and a breakout of this bull flag. Okay, so yeah, from that level there down to that level of consolidation, this is your bull flag, and this is where potentially you're right now breaking out of on a weekly time frame. Okay, this is why I always say it's best to zoom out. If in doubt, zoom out. You could be looking at a 57% price appreciation here, and a long opportunity, obviously, from this break of this resistance. You've already broken out effectively if you look at it like that. Okay, we are already breaking out. We're above the EMAs. Let's look at this for a potential trade. 158% upside for Hbar, but I'm not going to lie to you. You've got levels of resistance. You do need to see them broken. Okay, now there is another technical target here as well, a price of prediction that I'm going to lay down here for Hbar in this bull run. This is a continuation trend. Effectively, you come up, you rolled over, you backtested and held to 55 EMA on the weekly. You're now picking up, you're getting above a 20. You continue to do that. This is where you're going to be an uptrend like you was here. You broke above, and then boom, continuation. This is where you're going to see the continuation. You're going to come up to 94 cents for Hbar, and you're going to be looking at a lovely trade from here. Continuation of around about 342%, where I would imagine you're going to run into a level of resistance, start to roll back, and before we continue with the bull run right there. So yeah, it's looking good. You're breaking out a key level of resistance, and you're looking good for continuation. I'm just going to drop that future price prediction in here for Hbar. Now, full transparency, if you do start to roll here for Hbar, and if you do start to roll here for Hbar and you lose a key level of support, I'm going to show you this key level of support right now, then this gives precedence to the fact that you will potentially enter this this bear market here for Hbar. But so far, you're looking good here. You're looking like you potentially bottomed out in some kind of V-shaped recovery. You're not going to melt faces overnight. Don't be disillusioned. You're going to run into resistance, roll back to support. But if you can primarily hold this 20 on the weekly, look, you bump to something like that, you create another kind of bull pennant, so to speak. You do trade like that, boom, pop out, see you later. You're going to retest this high, okay? Because you've broken out of a W bottom effectively, or a V-shaped bottom. You're breaking a kilo resistance at 0.24 cents, and that's your technical target once you break out. Do you see that? So it's looking good. But you do need to see this level held just there, because if you was to see the loss of this low right now for Hbar, which is at 0.136959, you will be looking at a bear market. Okay, so full transparency, your potential ABC correction, lose support, you're looking at the bear market. And I'll tell you straight off the bat, your bear market bottom, if we are entering a bear market, but I don't anticipate we are, to be honest with you. A lot of people say we're in a bear market. I don't see that. I don't think we're in a bear market at all. I think we're in a corrective phase of a bull market. Always stood by that analysis, because that's what the charts are telling me. So far, this is your potential bear market bottom. If you have topped out here for Hbar, just here, this is a local top of a potential bull market top just here. But personally, I think this is a bear trap, and this is the first sell-off in a mania phase of a bull market that we're going to go through. But again, not financial advice, I've not got a crystal ball. This is your bear market bottom just down here for Hbar, 0.02220. Okay, so far so good. It's looking relatively good for continuation. You are adhering to key levels of support, which you want to see. If you do see us come up now and break this 0.24, you win the technical target right there of coming up. Look, from here to there, it'll come up, and you could be in a technical target to come up and retrace to this high and take it on once more. Okay, so it's looking good. It's looking good. There is a fib retracement actually that you do need to see broken here for Hbar to get the full confluence of the fact that you're creating a reversal wave. So yeah, I mean, if you do break out of this 0.24, we'll do the technical target again of that from there to there. So if you break this level of resistance at 0.244, you do have a technical target coming up to 35 cents, which would see you break through the golden ratio here at 28 cents and the 0.50, which is synonymous with a dead cat bounce in a recovery. Okay, so when you top out, you start to retrace, return to the norm, you hit a level of resistance, and you roll over and carry out that correction, entering that bear market, losing that low down there at 0.1377. So if you do see a Hbar roll over and lose 0.1377, then that's a bear market right there, and do with that information what you want, and that would actually offer a massive short opportunity. But if you do start to see the break up here and the technical target met, okay, which brings you up to 0.786, and you're looking at 35-cent token, you are looking really, really good here for continuation, for the latter part of the bull run, taking us up to these price predictions here for Hbar, of this serious project, by the way. It's a serious project, and you need to pay attention to this project. So that's a bit of technical analysis on Hbar. These are projections going forward, and I try to give every single scenario here, your levels of support and levels of resistance that you need to see broken. I've got my upper targets just here, as you're fully aware. I do project that we will get there, but unlike most technical analysis, they will just say to you, we're going to the moon, and that's it, and they don't even lay down any TA. They'll just say Hbar $1 or Hbar $5 or Bitcoin 200k without any sort of substance or technical analysis to back that up. Take care everyone, back tomorrow with another update on Hbar. Thank you for your support, and I hope that answered a lot of questions for people wanting some TA on Hbar. Bye bye everyone.